How to download and install Zoom app in laptop or PC. First, open any browser and go to search bar and search there Zoom app download for PC. When you search, then click on it, and from here you can see the first website zoom.us.download. When you click on it, I will also provide you the website link in the video description. You can click and go to direct website. When you open website, then just press accept cookies. After accept cookies, here you can see download option 64-bit, 34-bit and download ARM64, and you can download according to your PC or laptop requirements. And my window is window 10 and I will recommend download 64-bit. If you want to check which will be best for my PC, then you can search Zoom requirement for your laptop according to your laptop specifications. I am download 64-bit. When I click on it, the downloading will be started and it will take few minutes. And when downloading completed, I will start the video. As you can see, my download is completed. Just click on it, Zoom installer. When you click on it, and here you can see this type of screen, it will take few seconds or few minutes for installation. When the installation will completed, you will be able to use Zoom app in your laptop or PC. Now the Zoom app is installed and the installation was successful. Notification is also seen and you can click on done. And you click on done, you can sign up here.